Hello, this is Chad Smith with BC Academy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add the page titles to your web page. Now, when we're talking about page titles, we're talking about adding the title tag to your web page. Now, this is technically called the title element, but kind of like the alt tag is actually the alt attribute. Sometimes it gets its own name, so we call it the title tag, and it goes into the head of your document. This should be unique for every page on your site. So if your site currently has the same title tag in every page, I would suggest you update all of those, because this could be the most important SEO tag on your page. Now, content's probably the most important thing on your site, but the title tag creates value in the three different areas. One, your browser, so on your tab, browser tab, or on the top of the browser itself, you'll see the title tag of the page. Search engines is what the clickable link that you get when you search out an element or search out a product is the title tag. And third is external websites like social media. So when you share a page with Facebook, the link that they're going to get is the title tag. Now these can be changed. There's ways to edit this and make them a little bit different, kind of like the social media one. If you're using the Open Graph meta tag, you can tell Facebook to use a different title for the item being shared. But for the most part, you're going to want to create a nice, concise description of the page's content, around 50 to 60 characters, and then that will show up nicely in Google and will add some value to your website. So here we are on the test site, and you can see up here in my browsers tab I have an About Us page title. Now this is what I would consider a poorly written page title, because it doesn't really describe anything about the page, and if you've seen this as the result in Google, you might pass it over because it has no value to it. There's no reason to be on this page. So to edit that, we go to our back end, and I've already got us here to the About Us page, and you want to set the page title. Now what this will do, let me add some text here. So as you might have seen while you were watching me type that out, I had a title tag being created down here in my WYSIWYG editor. It's set to be in the code view. So you can see how that's pretty easy to add just a little bit of text to your title tag. And that's about, I think, 38, 39 characters, adding spaces. So we can add a little bit more if we like, but I think that increases the value of the page title. It says this is about us, this is our vision for Zephyr product. And when you add the branding portion to your page title, you're going to want to keep that on all pages. You want to be consistently with that. So if this is the name of my company, every page that I have should have, if we're going to the photo gallery, Zephyr products, blog Zephyr products, every page should have that on there to be consistent. And then the primary and secondary keywords will describe the content that's going to be on that page. So if I scroll down and update this and then refresh, now you see I have a better title tag for my web page. Now you can also add the title within your content if you like. So say I wanted the H1 to be my title or page title. There's no tag available here because the name of the page would probably be more something that you would add here instead of the page title. But there's still a tag for it if that's what you wanted. So module underscore page title. And then when we refresh our main site, then we can use that text on our site as well. Now you might have seen this tag on templates in the past. Most of the time when I created a template, add the page title to my template, but that's no longer necessary. You don't need the title tag on your templates anymore because your pages are going to output them this way now. So if I remove this here, you can see it gets removed down there. And that is how my page will create its own page title. Since it's in the head of the document here, BC will know to put it into the head of my page. That's how you add page titles to your web pages. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.